think this is possible? Wow.
It's only being held by the freaking caliper.
Drive for a month and a half on fucking grinding rotors.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Check for brake noise.
I thought mine was bad before.
Need some white? Need some white?
Nah, it's good. Gotta love it. It's what happens when you ignore your problems.